Hi guys, we are back. Today we have a few trucks with big issues. One is a Volvo. The customer is saying that it doesn't get enough boost, like he thinks it's a turbo issue, but you never know until you actually do proper diagnostics, so we'll do that. And another one is Freightliner Cascadia. The customer is saying that while you drive it, it pulls left and right, kind of doesn't hold the road, feels like something is off. He said he went to different shop and the different shop did alignment, but they didn't find anything else and the problem still exists, so we'll take a look at that one too. Okay, we'll do the pressure test, we'll do some computer diagnostics, and we'll start from there. So far it doesn't look bad, but you always have to look inside first. We asked the driver, he's saying he hears some air leak, like when he accelerates, so we'll do the boost pressure test and we'll see if it's leaking anywhere. If not, then I don't know, we'll remove a bunch of stuff and just inspect it. Let's check it out. Okay, let's see. I'll do it active. Let's take a look. So far I don't see any turbo related issues. See some NOx sensor, that's the inlet. We'll take a look at that too. Okay, let's do a boost pressure then. Let's check that. To do a boost pressure test, you have to remove air cleaner. And then we have special fitting, I'll show you guys. Sometimes this one could be loose, so you should check it. It has a play a little bit, but it's normal, as long as it's not rubbing it or like not making any noise. Yeah, that one looks good. Oh guys, I think we found the problem. It wasn't a turbo. Check this out. Right here. It has to be a sensor. Here's the sensor. Look at that, it just came off. But I think that's what makes that sound that the driver was talking about. That's how boost pressure test looks like. We're just gonna connect air here and we'll pump it in the system. Let's go. I hear something. Look at that. It's the new style. I spoke to the owner of this Volvo that we're working on, and he told me that he already spent $7,000 on it. He said he stopped at 3 different shops to see what's going on. He said one shop told him those are injectors, like the problem in injectors, so they replaced his injectors. Then he drove a couple 100 miles, broke down again. Other shop said, your DPF filters are clogged, they need to be replaced. So they replaced his DPF filters, and now he has the same problem, and he got to us, and that's what we found. So the one sensor was unscrewed, the boost leak in air cooler, and NOx sensor is not working. We'll take care of all this stuff, and I'm pretty sure that that's the actual cause. And that's what happens to you guys. That's what happens on the road when you get to the wrong shop and there is nothing you can do, literally. We're just gonna move the condenser to the side so we don't have to deal with Freon. And then we'll just take it off step by step. Like this part, it's not so hard. Okay guys, took it off. That's what I meant by moving condenser, so we don't have to deal with the Freon. That's the easier way and cheaper also. That's the radiator. And that's condenser itself. We don't see any obvious damage. So maybe something really small that you can't see, but it is leaking. Okay, we'll put the new one in and we'll do the test again. A little tip for you guys: if you want to drop hood lower like we did, like open wider, to gain more access to air cooler, you need to remove these hood shocks right here. You just undo them, they kind of like pop out, and it gains you more access. It's more comfortable to work with. Taking care of the NOx Inlet Sensor too. That's its location right here. That's the sensor itself. If you follow after turbo, it goes here, and that's the inlet. And the sensor itself is right here, the inside there. Yep. We just received the part. That's the part number for the NOx inlet. We'll install it there, and then we'll do the parked region to see how it goes, if it's gonna kick it in again. And that's where you install it. Couple screws. Tight spot right now. Check any leaks, and then we'll take it out for parked region. Good? Holding. Perfect. Okay, now it's time to do parked region. Okay, we'll leave the truck with the region. We'll come back to it in probably around 30 minutes if everything is good. And that's pretty much done with that one. Hopefully everything got fixed. We'll find out. Looks like it's completed. The truck does not have any more faults for the region. So I guess the problem is fixed. And that's how it's done. Oh yeah, some touch-ups. This is Cascadia I was talking about. We already got to it. The problem is in the gearbox. There's too much play inside. It's worn. We tried to adjust it, but that didn't work. So the only way to fix it is to replace it. If you want to know where the adjustment bolt is, it's right behind there. We'll take it off and I'll show it to you. That's the adjustment bolt I was talking about. This is the nut. You loosen it, take a screwdriver, and then you screw it, kind of tie it. It pushes the gear inside, and that's how you adjust it. Finishing up, we'll put it all back together and it's good to go. And that would be it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please comment below. If you like it, please hit the like button, and of course don't forget to subscribe. See you later.